For decades, we've looked to the skies and asked, are we alone? We've sent messages, listened for whispers, searched billions of stars. Yet the universe remains silent. Why haven't we heard from extraterrestrial life? Are we truly alone? Or is there something out there watching us, waiting? The universe is vast, unimaginably vast. There are more stars in the cosmos than grains of sand on every beach on Earth. If even a fraction of those stars have planets like ours, there should be millions, maybe billions of worlds where life could exist. In 1961, astronomer Frank Drake created the Drake equation to estimate the number of communicating civilizations in our galaxy. The result? Possibly thousands. So, where is everybody? This mystery is known as the Fermi Paradox, the contradiction between the high probability of alien life and the total lack of evidence. With so many habitable planets, intelligent life should have already reached us, or at least left behind some sign. But all we hear is silence. Maybe they're out there, but too far away. Maybe civilizations rise and fall before they can reach the stars. Or maybe they've already seen us and chosen to stay quiet. The question hangs in the air just like the stars themselves. It makes us feel very small. The paradox is simple. The universe looks full of chances for life, yet we have found no evidence of it. We have sent our own signals. We have listened with incredible technology. The silence that comes back is deafening. Distances between stars are almost beyond comprehension. Light takes over 4 years to travel to the next star. A signal from a civilization 1,000 light years away takes 1,000 years to arrive. A two-way conversation would take 2,000 years. We've used radio for just over a century. We are new to this cosmic conversation. Another possibility: civilizations don't last long. We can reach for the stars. We can also destroy ourselves. Or natural disasters end a civilization. Asteroid impacts or changing climates. If civilizations are brief sparks in cosmic history, the chance 2 sparks overlap is tiny. Or advanced life is so different we can't recognize its signals. An older civilization may have moved beyond radio. Some scientists believe we're part of something called the zoo hypothesis, the idea that advanced civilizations know we exist, but deliberately avoid contact. Just like humans observe animals in nature without interfering, they may be watching humanity, waiting for us to evolve, to prove we're ready for contact. In this scenario, the silence is not an accident. It is a choice. There is a much darker idea too. The dark forest theory. Imagine the universe is a dark forest at night. It is filled with silent hunters. The safest strategy for survival is to stay perfectly quiet. To send a signal into space is like shouting, "I'm here," in the dark forest. Maybe every intelligent species hides because revealing yourself means extinction. But maybe we're looking for the wrong kind of life. Life on Earth is carbon-based and water-dependent. But on other worlds, it could take forms we can barely imagine. NASA's missions to Europa, Enceladus, and Titan aim to answer this question. Could alien microbes thrive beneath frozen oceans or in the thick atmosphere of a toxic planet? The silence we hear might not mean loneliness. It might just mean we're not listening the right way. Today, projects like SETI, Breakthrough Listen, and the James Webb Space Telescope are pushing the search further than ever before. We're scanning exoplanet atmospheres for biosignatures, oxygen, methane, or chemicals that only life could create. AI is now being trained to detect unusual radio patterns from deep space. signals that might otherwise go unnoticed. And as we plan to colonize Mars and explore moons like Europa, the greatest discovery in human history might not be made by telescopes, but by human footsteps. If we do make contact, what will it mean for us? Will it unite humanity under one sky, or divide us in fear? For now we wait, listening to the stars, wondering if somewhere out there another species is doing the same. Maybe the universe is silent because it's waiting for us to speak first. If the stars finally speak, are we ready to hear what they have to say?